Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family, and today we're going to make some side dishes for our Thanksgiving dinner. We've got turkey, we've got dressing, and now we're going to make a pineapple casserole. Some of you may have had one before, but if you hadn't, they're so simple, they're so easy to make, and delicious. So I've got two 20-ounce cans of pineapple chunks, and I'm going to drain it. If I can get the can open. But we need some of the juice. We'll have to reserve some of this pineapple juice. Don't waste it, keep it. That'll be something good to drink. Drink it like you would your orange juice. Okay, so we're going to start with our sugar. We've got 1/3 cup of sugar. I've got 5 tablespoons of flour. Now this is White Lily self-rising. You can use plain, it doesn't matter in this dish. And we're going to stir that together. And we're going to add, let's see, get some of that juice. Get that. We're going to add 6 tablespoons of this pineapple juice. 2. Oh, and it smells so good, guys. I love pineapple. Do you like pineapple? We do. Stir that together. We're going to add this pineapple to this mixture now. Just pour it all in. And we're going to put this in an 8x8 casserole dish. Now what I did was took the butter wrapper from my butter, because I had 1/4 of a stick, and wipe it around the casserole dish, and there's enough butter left on there to grease that dish. So we're going to pour it in here. Now we're going to sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I've got mild. If you want sharp, you can definitely use sharp. It'll still be good. I like sharp cheese. But I've always used mild in this recipe, so I didn't want to vary. Okay, so now I need 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. I didn't get them out. And what we're going to do, we're going to crush these up and stir it around with our melted butter. I've got 1/4 cup of melted butter. That's 1/2 of a stick. Let me show you an easy way to crush your crackers. Leave them in the package and just start crushing away. Doesn't matter. All right, so I've got my 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm going to put the crackers in. And we're going to stir it around and get them all coated with that butter. Break that one up, it's a little big. All right, so let's sprinkle that around on top. And we're going to spread it out. If you find any big pieces, go ahead and just crush them with your fingers. They'll be fine. Looky there. Now see, that's the perfect topping. Look. And we're going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees, and it's going to bake about 30 minutes or so. You want it good and golden brown on the top and bubbly, and when that happens, it's good, and the kitchen's going to smell divine. So I'll get this put in the oven, and we'll be back with you in a few minutes, okay? Our timer just went off for our pineapple casserole, so I'm going to take it out of the oven. We'll see what it looks like, okay? Yeah, it smells so good. Smell that butter and those buttery crackers. that we used. Looky there. See how that topping crisped up? Ooh-wee. I think we might have to have a little taste of this. What do you think? Let me get a little plate. Let me get a spoon. And it's going to be hot. Oh my. Y'all. That is so looky there. Look, see what it looks like on that spoon. See all that steam coming off? You've got that cheese and the pineapple and all those crackers. Oh, doesn't that just make you hungry? Let's drizzle some of that juice that's down in the bottom on there, okay? I want to bite with everything on it. That's the perfect bite. But I know it's going to be hot. Did you see that cheese pull? Y'all, you have got to make this. If you've never made one before, you've got to have it. Now, this is good any time of the year. We make it mostly at the holidays, but even in the spring or summertime, say a 4th of July barbecue, this pineapple casserole would be great with it, and it's good at room temperature. So, you know, what goes better with pork than pineapple? So, make it any time of the year. I just hope you make it. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. We are making some side dishes to go with our Thanksgiving dinner. So we've got turkey, we've got dressing, and today we're going to make a pineapple casserole to go with it. Have you ever had one? If you haven't, they are delicious. I forgot something. Let's start over again.